In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix StreamElements Cloudbot offline. If your StreamElements Cloudbot is showing as offline or just not responding in chat, this process will help you refresh the connection and make sure the bot has the permissions it needs to work properly. We're going to go through a few simple checks inside your StreamElements dashboard and then confirm everything from your Stream chat. First, log into your StreamElements dashboard and open the bot settings. Once you're there, find the toggle for the bot and switch it off. This basically tells the bot to disconnect fully, which can help clear out a stuck or unstable connection. After turning it off, wait about 2 to 5 minutes before turning it back on. That pause is important because it gives the server connection time to fully reset. Once the wait is over, toggle the bot back on. In many cases, this alone is enough to bring Cloudbot back online and reconnect it to your channel correctly. If you also see the option to part or leave the channel, click that next. Then click Join Channel to force a completely fresh connection. This is useful when the bot looks connected in the dashboard but still isn't actually behaving correctly in chat. Rejoining the channel can help re-establish that link cleanly. Next, head over to your Twitch or streaming channel chat because now you want to make sure the bot hasn't been blocked from participating. In chat, type /unban StreamElements. This is just a quick safety check in case the bot was accidentally banned at some point. If it was banned, this will remove that restriction immediately. Right after that, type /mod StreamElements. Giving the bot moderator permissions is important because it allows the bot to speak in chat and use moderation-related features and commands properly. Even if the bot was previously working, it's worth reapplying this to make sure permissions are still in place. Finally, type !bot unmute in your chat. This is a good last check in case the bot was muted earlier by a command and is technically connected but unable to respond. Unmuting it ensures that it can start talking in chat again. Once you've completed all of those actions, give the bot a moment and then test a command in chat to confirm it's responding. In most situations, this full reset and permission check will get StreamElements Cloudbot back online and working normally.